Day 19 of the Ramadan edit, and our word for today is adil, ataupun in English, justice. In high performance teams, this shows up as equity, not just equality. Ramai leaders kat luar sana, dia ingat adil kalau dalam konteks pejabat tu maksudnya kerja kena bagi semua orang atas yang sama, ataupun kita layan semua staff dengan cara yang serupa. Tapi dalam leadership, equality sedemikian rupa is actually a very dangerous trap. Adil ni bermaksud meletakkan sesuatu pada tempatnya. If we treat a senior expert the same way we treat a fresh graduate, that isn't fair, it's inefficient even. As a leader, your job is simple. You match the weight of the task with the strength of the individuals within your team. Ramadan ni mengajar kita tentang limitasi dan berlaku adil. Kita tak paksa budak 7 tahun untuk puasa, kita just explain kepada mereka kenapa orang berpuasa. Dalam konteks kerja pula, kita kena adil di pejabat. Kenapa kita nak push orang melampaui kapasiti mereka, especially bila kita dah tahu mereka dah cuba habis baik. So hari ini, jom kita edit balik our management style. Remember that adil is never about giving everyone the same load. Adil is knowing who needs more support and who needs more space. So let's join me in being a leader who understands the context of your people, and jom kita berlaku adil. Jumpa esok.